Struggling to focus for even a few minutes without reaching for your phone? Feeling overwhelmed by constant scrolling and notifications? What if a simple 5-minute trick could reset your mind and unlock laser-sharp focus, starting today? This is the dopamine reset method, a science-backed strategy that's transforming productivity for thousands. It's quick, effective, and I'll walk you through every step. Stick around to see how it can change your day, and drop a quick "I'm ready" in the comments if you're in. Let's get started. Let's break down why focusing feels so hard. Every time you scroll through social media, watch videos, or check emails, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good. But too much dopamine is like eating too much sugar. It feels great at first, but then you crash. Suddenly, focusing on work, studying, or even simple tasks feels impossible. Research shows this overstimulation can slash your focus by up to 40%. That's why you're staring at your screen, unable to get anything done, while your to-do list just grows. Here's the solution: a 5-minute dopamine reset. By stepping away from overstimulation, your brain can recalibrate, bringing back clarity and focus. This isn't a random idea. It's backed by science, and I've seen it work wonders. Ready to learn how to do it? Let's dive into the steps. But first, hit that like button if you're tired of feeling distracted. Here's the 5-minute dopamine reset method. 5 simple steps to regain your focus, no matter where you are. Grab a timer and let's do this together. Step 1. Disconnect for 1 minute. Turn off all your devices, phone, laptop, everything. Put them out of reach if you can. Notifications are dopamine triggers, and you need a complete break from them. It might feel tough at first, but this step is key to stopping the cycle of distraction. Step 2. Breathe deeply for 1 minute. Set your timer for 1 minute and try this breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Repeat. This calms your nervous system, lowers stress, and helps your brain relax. It's like a mini reset for your mind, clearing away the fog. Step 3. Focus on your senses for 1 minute. Spend the next minute tuning into your surroundings. Touch something with texture, like a soft fabric or a rough pen. Smell something pleasant, maybe a candle, your coffee, or fresh air. Listen to small sounds like your breathing or birds outside. This brings you into the present moment, away from mental clutter, and helps your brain settle. Step 4. Picture your goal for 1 minute. For 1 minute, close your eyes and imagine one task you want to tackle today. It could be writing an email, studying for a test, or organizing your space. See yourself doing it, feeling focused and accomplished. This step sets a clear direction for your brain, making it easier to take action. Step 5. Set a timer and start for 1 minute. Finally, set a 25-minute timer for your task, known as a Pomodoro timer. Focus on just that one task you pictured, with no distractions. This isn't about doing everything. It's about starting strong and building momentum. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done in 25 minutes when your mind is clear. That's the method: 5 minutes, 5 steps, and you're set to conquer your day. Which step are you most excited to try? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear. I've used this dopamine reset method myself, and the results were incredible. Before trying it, I was stuck in a cycle of distraction, scrolling social media for hours, barely making a dent in my to-do list, and feeling frustrated. But one day I gave this 5-minute reset a shot before a big work session. I turned off my phone, did the breathing, focused on the smell of my morning coffee, pictured my goal, and set my timer. The difference was night and day. I finished a task I'd been avoiding for days, and I felt so clear and energized. My productivity jumped, and I finally felt in control. This method works, and I know it can work for you too. Give it a try today. You'll be amazed at how much sharper you feel. When you do, come back and share your results in the comments. I'm excited to hear how it goes for you. Let's go over a few mistakes to avoid so you can get the best results. First, don't rush the breathing step. It's crucial for calming your mind. I tried speeding through it once, and I stayed stressed the whole day. Second, don't skip picturing your goal. That step keeps you on track. Without it, you might end up doing random things instead of what matters. I made that mistake and spent an hour organizing my desk instead of working on my actual priority. Here's a tip. Make this reset part of your daily routine. Try it every morning for a few days. I did, and by the third day, I was getting so much more done. You can even set a reminder on your phone to do it before starting your day. One last thing, share this video with a friend who's always distracted. Tag them in the comments and challenge them to try this with you. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.